In exercise 2b, you have solved addition and subtraction involving negative numbers. In exercise 2c, you will solve multiplication and division involving the negative numbers. So starting from our question number 1, find the value of each of the following. A part, 3 multiplied by minus 9. As 3 is having not any sign with it, which means it is a positive number. So plus and minus gives you minus, and 3 nines are is 27. F part, minus 6 multiplied by 0. As you know, when you multiply any number with 0, you get 0. But you will not write the sign of negative because 0 is a neutral value. So you will not write any sign with it. Question number 2. Evaluate each of the following. B part, 16 divided by minus 2. Plus minus gives you minus. And 16 divided by 2 is 8. So answer is minus 8. Minus 18 divided by minus 3. Minus minus is plus, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. So plus 6 is the final answer. Question number 3. Find square root of each of the following. A part, 81. We have to find the square root of 81. In chapter number 1, because we were not dealing with the negative numbers, and here we are dealing with the negative numbers. So first, whenever we will write the square root with any number, we have to write plus and minus with it. If you are having command on finding the square, then you can do it directly. Otherwise, you can go towards the prime factorization as well. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Plus minus, so 3 is 4 times, so I am going to write 4 as the power of. As 3 is 4 times, so I have written 4 as the power of 3 because we are finding the square root, which means I have to half my power. So half of 4 is 2 and the square of 3 is 9. So square root of 81 is plus minus 9. Question number 4. Evaluate each of the following where possible. C part, square root of my negative minus into square root of 9. As you know, the square root of 9 is 3 and minus will remain as it is. D part, square root of minus 36. Always remember that square root of negative number does not exist. So here we are going to write not possible. Question number 5. Evaluate each of the following. B part, cube of minus 5, which means we have to multiply minus 5 with itself 3 times. So 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. Minus minus will be plus, plus minus will be again minus. So your answer is minus 125. Cube of minus 6, which means we have to multiply minus 6 with itself 3 times. 6 6 are 36 and 36 6s are 216. Minus minus plus and plus minus will be minus. So your answer is minus 216. Question number 6. Evaluate each of the following. B part, cube root of minus 64. Because we are having cube root, so I have to write minus 64 as the cube of any number. So I am going to write minus 64 as the cube of minus 4. The power cancel down with the equal amount of root. If it was having square, then it would be cancelled with the square root. Because we are having cube, then it will cancel down with the cube root. So you will get minus 4. D part, cube root of minus 216. Again we are having cube root and there is a negative number, so I have to write minus 216 as the cube of any number, which is minus 6. When you take the cube of minus 6, you will get minus 216. Again the cube will cancel down with the cube root and you will get minus 6. Question number 7. Find the value of each of the following. G part. As you can see, there are many operations, so we have to use BODMAS rule. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Of means we have to solve the part, which I am going to apply here. 3 into minus 3 square is plus 9, minus 7 minus 2 is 5 square. 3 into 9 minus 5 square is 25. First you can see I have solved my brackets and then the powers. 3 nines are, because the next operation is multiplication, which I am going to do is 3 nines are 27. 27 minus 5 is 2, which is your final answer. Question number 7, I part. Minus 12 divided by 2 square minus into minus 2. As you can see, there is division and brackets. In division and bracket, you have to solve your bracket first. Minus 12 divided by square of 2 is 4, minus minus plus 2. Minus 12 divided by 4 plus 2 is 6. Minus 12 divided by 6, minus plus minus 12 divided by 6 is 2. So minus 2 will be the final answer. Question number 9. Find value of each of the following a part. 24 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by 5 divided by minus 6. So there are two operations, multiplication and division. So we have to solve division first. 24 into minus 2. 5 divided by minus 6, we can write it as minus 5 by 6. Now I am going to multiply minus 2 with it. Minus minus will be plus. 2 5s are 10. 10 divided by 6. 24 into 10 is 240 divided by 6. And your after division you will get 40. Question number 9, F part. Minus 15 plus 5 into 2 plus 8 minus 32 divided by 8 minus into minus 7. You can see there are many operations and many brackets. So first we will take the help of BODMAS rule, which tell us to solve the bracket first. So first I am going to solve the small bracket first, which is minus 15 plus 5. As both of the values are having opposite sign, which means we will subtract them. 15 minus 5 is 10. And the sign of greater value will come into 2 plus 8 minus 32 divided by 8 minus into minus 7. Now I am going to multiply them. Minus 10 into 2 is minus 20 plus 8 minus 32 divided by 8 minus into minus 7. Minus 20 plus 8, both of the values are having opposite sign, which means I have to subtract, and when you will subtract you will get 12 and sign of greater value will come. Minus 32 divided by 8 minus into minus 7. Now in this bracket there are two operations. So first I am going to solve the division. Minus 12, when you divide minus 32 on 8 you will get minus 4 minus into minus 7. Now you can see both of the values are having same sign, so I am going to add them. 12 plus 4 is 16 and the sign will remain as minus minus plus 7. 16 and 7 both are having opposite sign, which means I have to subtract, and after subtraction you will get 9 and the sign of greater value will come, which means minus 9 is your final answer. Question number 9, H part. Minus 10 into minus 12 plus 3 square plus 3 cube divided by minus 3. Now I am going to solve my, first I am going to solve my bracket. Minus 10 minus 12 plus square of minus 3. Again when you take the square of any negative number you will get plus 9 plus cube of 3 divided by minus 3. Minus 10 minus 12 plus 9 is 21 plus 3 cube divided by minus 3. Now in this bracket there are two operations, negative and addition. So first I have to solve my power. Minus 10 minus 21 and cube of 3 is 27 divided by minus 3. As 10 and 21 are having same sign, which means we have to add them. 10 plus 21 will be 31 and sign will remain same. Plus 27 divided by minus 3. 31 and 27, both of them are having opposite sign, which means we will subtract them. So 31 minus 27 is 4 and sign of greater value, which is negative, will come, divided by minus 3. So I am going to write it as minus 4 by minus 3. Minus minus is plus, so 4 by 3. As you can see, that is an improper fraction, and after division you will get your mixed fraction, which is 1 whole 1 by 3, and is your final answer.